We're going to do learning objectives B and C, where we're going to show you how to make a scatter plot and then come up with what we think is the line of best fit or the best equation. So to find the line of best fit, the first thing we want to do is draw a scatter plot of the data. Then we're going to sketch a line that follows the pattern of the data points. Next, we're going to choose 2 points that appear to be on the line and estimate their values. Then for step 4, we're going to write an equation of the line that passes through the 2 points from step 2. And that will give us the line, or gives a line for the data. Let's take a look. For this example here, let's just follow the directions. First, plot the ordered pairs and make a scatter plot of this data. So I'm going to move 1, 722, and that's just roughly there. 2, 763. 3, 772. 4, 826. 5, 815. 6, 857. 7, 897. So there's our scatter plot. Then they want us to do this. To find it, draw a line, sketch the line that best fits the data. So I'm going to do this. I think it goes through equally on both sides. And I don't know if that's the best line. That's just the line that I drew. Now I want to go to my graph, the blue graph, and try to find 2 points that cross the graph paper quite nicely that I can read. And they're not going to be the current red points that are on there. They're just my own points. So to me, it looks like this might be a nice ordered pair, which is the ordered pair of 7, 900. And then maybe this one right here, which looks like it's the ordered pair of 3 and 800. And then we just do what we did when we had to write the equation of a line given 2 points. I'm going to use y equals mx plus b, given the 2 points, compute the slope, find the y-intercept. So let's do the slope, and I'm just going to write over this. Slope is 9 minus 800, 900 minus 800, over 7 minus 3. So the slope is going to be 100 over 4, or in this case, 25. So I'm going to fill that in. To find the b, remember, take one of your ordered pairs and plug it in. I'm going to use this ordered pair, so I'm going to put 800 in for y, 3 in for x. So that's 800 equals 75. Subtract 75 from both sides. So b is going to be 725. And take that and put it right in there, and I'll get my final equation. The y equals 25x plus 725. Now, how do we use that line of best fit? Well, we can answer a question. They want us to use the answer to predict the number of people who will attend the 10th football game. Well, if you go back to the data, you're going to notice that the x was the number of games. So all you have to do is substitute 10 in for x. So we're going to do y equals 25 times 10 plus our 725. That's going to be 250 plus 725, which is going to add to 975 people. So we can predict that 975 people will attend the game. You use the line that you write to help you predict what we think will happen. Let's do another example. If we come up with a line of best fit for this, I'm going to plot 1, 84, 2, 83, 3, 86, 4, 88, 5, 87, and 6, 90. The line of best fit that kind of equally balances between the two, I'm going to go right there. Folks, sometimes you'll hit points that you drew, sometimes you won't. Now I'm going to pick 2 points on the line that cross the grid paper nicely. I'm going to use this guy here and this guy here, actually. So this is at 386 and 487. Okay. Let's write the equation of the line. Y equals mx plus b. My m is going to be, I'm going to do 87 minus 86 over 4 minus 3. That's 1 over 1, or 1. So we have y equals 1x plus b. To find the b, I'm going to put this ordered pair in. So 86 for y, 1 times 3. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides and get 83. So I'm going to take that and put it here. Final equation will be y equals 1x plus 83. Where x stands for, it says here, the chapter of a textbook, and y is your test score. So now if they want us to predict the score for the 9th test, the test score stood for letter x, so I'm just going to put that in here. So it's going to be 9 plus 83 will give us a score, predicted score of 92.